I challenge you to get your taxes done with a reliable expert today. Let's see if I can convince you to do it. When doing your taxes, you know how important it is to get them done quickly and accurately. The last thing you want to do is be caught with the stress and hassle of tax season to only end up with the tax refund smaller than you expected. That's why it's so crucial to get your taxes done fast and by a tax expert who can ensure that you're getting the most out of your tax return. Guys, there's no doubt we have all been there. Tax season rolls around, and suddenly you're faced with a mountain of paperwork, confusing deductions, and deadlines that seem to sneak up on you out of nowhere. We all know that it can be enough to make your head spin. That's before you even start worrying about whether you're doing everything correctly. So, how do you find a reliable tax expert who can help you navigate the chaos of tax season? Start by looking for someone that's qualified. Ask yourself, are they a public accountant or an enrolled agent with the IRS? Do they have the experience working with clients just like you? Once you found a potential candidate, it's time to start asking questions. For example, what's their approach to tax preparation? How will they ensure you're taking advantage of all the deductions that's entitled to you? Don't be afraid to ask for references or examples of their previous work. When you're searching for a tax expert, it's also important to think about your own needs as well. Are you a freelancer, a small business owner with complicated income and expenses? Or are you a simple W 2 worker with a few dependents? I want you to make sure that your tax expert has the experience to handle your needs. Like, can they tailor their approach to your unique situation and needs? And finally, don't be afraid to trust your instincts. With your tax expert, if something feels off or something doesn't click with you and your tax expert, it's okay to look around. I want you to imagine getting your taxes done in a fraction of the time that it would take if you were doing it yourself. With the tax expert, you'll be knowing that you're getting the maximum refund possible. That's exactly what it's like working with a tax expert. They can save you hours of time and stress and hassle as well. They have the expertise to put money back into your pocket where it belongs. In fact, according to the IRS, taxpayers use professional tax experts are more likely to receive a larger refund. They are less likely to be audited. And if you're still not convinced, just ask anyone who worked with a good tax expert. They will definitely tell you it is definitely worth every single penny. But I know what you're thinking. Why not just do taxes myself and save myself some money? And no doubt, it's true. Doing your taxes yourself can seem like a simpler and cheaper option. But in all reality, doing taxes yourself, you're definitely taking a huge risk. You could be missing out on deductions and credits. You also could be setting yourself up for an audit down the line. And let's be real, how much is your time really worth? Is it really worth pouring over mountains of tax paperwork and forms and instructions when you can definitely be spending time with your loved ones? So, what's the takeaway here? Hiring a tax expert, it's not just about getting your taxes done in record time. It's about maximizing your refund, minimizing your stress, and getting back to what matters the most. By taking time to find the right expert and trusting them to do what is the best for you, you can take a huge weight off your shoulders and start enjoying the benefits of tax season. I want to thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. What's your like with a tax expert? What's your experience has been with your taxes? And have you ever worked with a tax expert before? And if you want to learn more about how to choose the right tax expert, be sure to check out my other videos where we'll be sharing some topics and tips and tricks for you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless your family. Thanks.